Now, Boost Mobile, one of my favorite non-contract carrier here in the US, and I believe they offer a decent service with very reasonable price. But what about the 5G? So in this video, I run a 5G speed test in different times and different locations just to see how good the 5G with Boost Mobile. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and let's find out. Now, unfortunately, I won't be able to provide a 5G speed test during the midnight time. That's because the area where I live does not have 5G coverage. But I will go ahead and show you something around 5 o'clock. It would be the peak time. It will be 5 p.m. where a lot of people on the towers. Let's go ahead and run this test and see the speed I got. Now the speed was not too shabby. I was able to get download speed 44.4 megabyte per second and upload speed 45.7. That because maybe a lot of people on the 5G during this time, and it's not a good time to get the best 5G speed. Now let's go ahead and move to another time and another area. I run the speed test. I did this around 6 o'clock p.m. so 2 hours after the first test I have made. Let's go ahead and check the speed. Now different time, different speed test give me a little bit improvements on the 5G speed. We were able to get 74.4 megabyte per second for download and upload speed 28.4. So we have more download and less upload speed in the second test. Now let's go ahead and move to the last test I have made, and that was around morning time. In the area I was able to find 5G. Let's go ahead and check this out. Maybe in the morning time not so many people on the 5G. We'll see what we're gonna get. In the last test I have made, I was able to get higher download speed with 152 megabytes per second, but lower upload speed 7.32. I believe the more you get download speed higher, the less you get upload speed. I believe in the morning time you will expect better speed for the 5G than during the peak time, 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock p.m. would be the best time. Maybe midnight also. I believe it will be a lot much faster. That because nobody uses the 5G. Now the question is, does the 5G works good with Boost Mobile? Unfortunately, I can't even answer that question because it said like different location, different speed, different times, different speed. So there is not something I can rely on to give you my best experience. Maybe someone else live in a different state, have a lot much better experience than my experience with the 5G. But generally speaking, was not too shabby because I was expecting 5G to be like 250 megabytes per second and up, but based on what I see, the 5G is not much better than the 4G LTE, at least in my opinion. But you can leave your opinion in the comment below and give me thumbs up, encourage me. And by the way, if you missed the video, I have made the same test with Total by Verizon. You'll find the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we'll talk to you in the next video.